Structure number 6, think, pair, share. So again, these are 3 steps, think, pair, share. So what are we going to do this time? Now we're going to have a certain topic on mind, like for example, how can we become more fit, or the importance of sports, or whatever unit or idea or lesson that you have, and you're going to ask it to all of the students, right? And then you're going to ask them to have like 2 or 3 or 4 minutes to think about it individually. Now every student is going to think alone. And if you refer back to our multiple intelligence course, you will find that some people are going to like this, like the people who have a high level of intrapersonal intelligence. They will just like to sit alone and, think about a certain idea. Because some people, if you ask them to go and talk to someone about a certain idea, you will find them a little bit distracted, and they do not know what to think or how to think because of the other person. So now we're giving them their freedom to sit, be relaxed, and think about it. So that is step number 1, which is think. The second step is pair. Now everyone is going to go and sit with a certain pair, and you can use the body clock structure here, and you can, they can share the ideas together and talk together. The third step is going to be sharing, like one of every pair or both of them is just going to go in front of the whole class and they talk about the ideas that they found. So you'll find that we started with the person thinking alone, and then they move to a pair, and then you're having them to share ideas with the whole class. And of course, it is better to apply the previous structure first before we move to this structure, because the previous structure of 3 steps interview, you will find that students are not really sharing anything in front of the whole class. And remember something, your job as a teacher here in every structure, while the students are working in teams, your job is just to go around. If you need to collect some notes or something, maybe help them with certain ideas, push the discussion a little bit, but you're just looking friendly, you're smiling, and you're not going to intimidate anybody. You're just going there to help.